Welcome to my channel. My name is Sharon Richardson and I am the designer and CEO of Guan by Sharon. Today I want to talk about 3 fashion mistakes to avoid. 1. Wearing clothes that are too tight or too loose. Always prioritize fit over everything. Some people are very caught up in the number that is inside your clothes. It's size 12 when in your mind, I was a size 8 when I was 20 and you don't want to change. Especially if you are shopping from a brand that you've never shopped before. Follow their size guides and you can always exchange, go up a size or down a size, but it's important to understand what fits your body. Don't be scared to get something that fits your hip and have it tailored to your waistline. It is essential that we find a great tailor who understands constructions of garment. Number 2, accessorizing. Yes, child, I said it. We gotta accessorize. Understand the importance of finishing off the look. Here I am rocking a Tula pencil skirt. Yes, honey, it's a skirt. We can pull it up, you can be sexy, and I believe that we can wear sparkle all year long. So we call this Summer Sparkles at the Guan. Invest in statement bold necklaces, watches, rings, and things like that. Earrings, like I love a big statement earring. Use your accessories to add pop, drama, and depth to your wardrobe. I call this the 3Ds. And it depends on the look that we're doing that defines where the dimension, the drama, and the depth goes, right? I am writing a book about that. Stay tuned. And don't overdo it, darling. Just a little bit goes a long way. And last but not least, following these trends blindly. As a fashion designer, yes, I do take note of the stuff that are coming down the runway, the trends, definitely color. Still, if I'm feeling pink this season, but the color of the year is peach this year, I'm going to incorporate that in a look, right? Because you still want to have you bossing up in the trends. So it's adapting all trends without considering if that is even your style. Does that work for your body type? Does that work for your lifestyle? Every trend ain't for everybody. It's great to see it over there, but you don't got to do it. Mix those classic pieces with those trendy pieces. Let's say your denim jeans and you want to throw on a bold print. Boom, baby, how fabulous. A bold in-season print. It's perfect. You want to wear denim, but you want to wear a bold color that is in season. Avoid buying into trendy pieces just because it's trendy. We don't want it staying in your closet. We want to ensure that you are wearing pieces that you can wear, that incorporate them into your lifestyle. I know I said 3, girl, but I got 4. Neglecting the quality. We got to think that these wash and go moments that are in your wash for one day and it's trash. What is the environmental ramifications of doing this? Spend that money on those quality pieces. A well-made blazer will last you an eternity. A well-made trench coat will last you an eternity. Choose great fabric, great construction, and great fit. And sis, you will be at the top of your game. Thank you for hanging out with me. I love talking about fashions, and I hope these tips have been helpful and insightful. If you found value, please like, share, and comment. That will definitely help us. Like, share, and comment.